Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to set timer limit on YouTube Kids. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube Kids and click on right corner K and 63, submit, and singing timer settings, feedback or close. Okay, click on settings, all settings up, and click on set timer. Set time limit. When time is up, the app will lock. 31 minutes, 16 minutes, 2 minutes, enter the key, and click on plus and click on minus. Alright, 40 minutes and start timer. Timer started 40 minutes. Alright, that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.